Who is Alex HORMOZI? Alex HORMOZI is a very rich man. Look at him, what do you see? You see a hat, you see a beard, you see muscles, you see a thing on his nose, and you see a shirt. This is what you get from Alex. He's a very consistent man. He's all about consistency, and this is what you want in your French lessons. We can learn something from Alex. You want a system in which you can learn French with consistency, always the same design, always the same teaching logic, the same layout in your documents. You want consistency. You've never seen Alex show up in a purple disco suit dressed like Bootsy Collins. It's simply not what he does. He has a hat, he has a beard, he has muscles, he has a thing on his nose, and he has a shirt. Now, second thing that we can learn from when we look at Alex HORMOZI, he's a very quantifiable man. Alex HORMOZI is a very rich person. He has money coming in through the windows. Money literally falls into his pocket. It's a beautiful thing to see. He can print out a bank statement and say, look, I am rich. It is quantifiable. These are two things we want also in our French classes. We want a system that's consistent, and we want a system that's quantifiable, because the sentence, I'm learning French, means nothing at all in English. This is not something that Alex HORMOZI would do. He would not say, I am learning French, I am taking a French class. It means nothing at all. It is not consistent and is not quantifiable. There's something to learn here, okay? You need to find yourself French classes, a learning system for the French language that is consistent and quantifiable.